To execute time intelligence functions, your data model must contain a common date table. In this video, you'll explore the process for setting up a common date table using IM language in Power Query. AdventureWorks must execute time intelligence functions, but its data model lacks a common date table. Let's help AdventureWorks by creating a date table using IM language in Power Query. IM is a Power BI developmental language used in Power Query to create new dimensions and tables within a data model. It provides a much more visual approach to creating dimension tables. To assist AdventureWorks, load the data tables into the Power BI data model. Select Transform Data in Power BI Desktop to open the Power Query editor. Access the Home tab and select New Source. Select Blank Query from the drop-down list of options. Add the required IM language code to create the date dimension table in the editor. The listDates function lists the dates in this code based on the provided date range. In this instance, you're creating a 5-year table from January 1st, 2017 to January 1st, 2021. The syntax 365 by 5 represents all the possible dates within this 5-year range. And duration specifies the duration of the period, with 1 equaling 1 day. Once you execute the code, Power BI generates a list of dates. These dates must be converted to a common date table. Navigate to the top left side of the Power Query editor in the Transform tab and select To Table. This action converts the list of dates to a table with a column named List by default. Rename the column as Date. Next, you must change the column's data type to the Date data type. Right-click to open the drop-down list and select Change Type. Select the Date option from the list. Now you need to populate the table with the related columns. Select the table's date column and navigate to the Add Column tab of Power Query Editor. Select the Date section to expand the drop-down list of options. Select the following columns to add to the table from the drop-down list: Year, Month, Name of Month, Name of Day, and Week of Year. Access the property's Name field in the Query Settings and rename the query as Date. Then select Close and Apply to return to the Power BI interface. Finally, select the ellipses next to the Date table from the Data pane and mark the table as a Date table. Select the Date column from the dialog box, then select OK to confirm. Finally, establish the required relationships between the data model's date table and other tables. The model is now configured for creating time intelligence measures using DAX and for creating reports and visualizations. In this video, you learned how to set up a common date table using IM language in Power Query. This video is a short introduction to IM language and Power Query. You'll learn more about IM language as you continue your Power BI studies.